Start an online business with $0 using AI tools. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to start an online business from scratch with zero investment using only free AI tools. Let's get started. Start by picking a niche, like digital products, content writing, or social media help. Once you've got your idea, head to ChatGPT to generate product ideas, write website copy, or even create social media content. Next, use Canva to design logos, Instagram posts, lead magnets, or product covers. It's free and beginner-friendly, with AI tools that help generate layouts and content fast. Need a website? Try Card or Google Sites. Both are free and easy to set up. Use text from ChatGPT and designs from Canva to build a clean, professional page. To market your business, use CapCut to create TikToks or Reels. You can write scripts with ChatGPT, record simple clips, and even add AI voiceovers. Finally, use Google Sheets or Notion to manage orders, clients, and ideas, all without spending a dime. That's all for the video. Use these free AI tools to launch your online business today. No money, no excuses, just action. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.